Welcome to Share Inspirations, guys. Today we're going to be making a jam jar posy. I have all of my cuttings here. This is what I use as a tool to cut a great bonsai scissors. I will leave a link to this in the description box or comment box below, depending on where you're watching me. And it's going to be a short stemmed flower arrangement in a jam jar or sauce jar or any jars that we buy sauces in, cleaned. And I have given it a little touch right here with a jute rope, just to give it a little bit of a rustic slash country look, because I personally am a very big fan of the little bit of a country type arrangements. We're going to start with the tallest flowers. I have straw flowers right here. I have these beautiful hyacinths that smell so heavenly. I wish I could share the smell with you via this camera. And they've been blooming for me for quite some time, and I left them until they got tall enough for me to sit in an arrangement. I have, as you can tell, pinks, whites, and one purple. Now, something to note here is the most fragrant ones are the white ones. Not sure why that is. And this is a tulip, again a short stemmed variety of tulip. I have a calendula here. And I'm making this arrangement specifically to show you that just because some flowers have shorter stems does not mean that they cannot be used in flower arrangements. Certainly, once they are at their full length, which kind of like hyacinths, about 3 inches. This is the tallest thing I have besides my straw flower, and this is a anemone, a blue-purple anemone. I'm not really working with specific colors here. This is a wild card type of arrangement. Whatever you have available at the time, you can use. This would work great to give as a gift, as well as you can set it on your dining table for dinner and all day arrangements, because it's not so tall. But just keep an eye on the water level to make sure that it's full, because the stems are so short. So this was a posy, jam jar posy, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you found it helpful. I will see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.